It's a tough job, someone's got to do it. Today, the sun is shining. I can't think of a better boat to go out on. But what we've got listed here, it's a Goldfish. She's a 25 tender is the model. It goes fantastically well through the water. It's a massive performance boat. Not only that, it's the fuel efficiencies it gives as well. So she's driven by a Yanmar 6LP motor, which is 315 horsepower. So at you've got 3,200 revs, you're looking around 40 knots in terms of speed, and that's a cruising speed, fast cruising speed. And your litres per hour at that rate, at that speed, would be around 9 to 10 litres per hour. We're going to have a good look on board today and show you, because this boat is something special. We've got it listed, it's been launched here in the water, and then the best way to show this boat is not on the dock here. We've got the life jackets on today, Sam's with me. We're going to go out on the water, we're going to take it up to speed, so we're going to show the performance and what it's all about. Before we do, let's just go and have a look on board, because it's more than just a performance boat. She was a super yacht tender, so she's got lovely teak floors. It's also got a huge, great big sunbed here at the back. So if you go and whiz across to the Solent in no time at all, you've got the seating back here with the seat rests here, with the bar to hold on to, because she's a performance boat. And yet, when you throw the anchor down, we've got a lovely big sunbed here. It's all been finished. We've done this, all completed in a nice silver text. So gone a little bit leery on the colour, but why not? This is like a Lamborghini of the sea. So if you're going to do it properly. Because of the Norwegian ancestry of this boat, a little bit unusual. We've got a stern anchor just here. There's a swim ladder there at the back if you drop off for a swim as well. So we've got the cuddy space down below. It's good for the storage space, so you put your cushions and stuff down below and your covers, etc. There's a lot of space down there, and there's a few clues in terms of the construction. We'll come on to that in a bit. So we've got the seats just here, so this folds down here, and then we've got some sit-down seats here, so you can be sat here behind the windscreen if you're at speed, if you prefer that. I generally prefer the bolster seat, so that just comes up here, that slots into place here. And then you've got a nice bolster seat here, really nice comfortable cruising position here. Raymarine chart plotter, we've got here, nice good display here, and then the Goldfish 25 stainless steel dash here with all your dials and gauges. The feel of this boat, it just wants to go, it wants to go fast, this boat, it looks awesome. We've got the engine hatch here, and we'll show a little bit of video here, so I'm going to show you the engine space, how the hatch lifts up here, because I've got a button just here that lifts it up. That's going to lift up, show us the engine there, and then we've got a Volvo, Yanmar 6LP engine, 315 horsepower, and that's coupled to a Bravo 1 drive. So that's single prop for performance, stainless steel prop. If we move forward to have a look through, we've got another sunbathing area here, more seating up here forward as well. So when you're at anchor, there is actually space on board here. What this boat really is all about though, it's the speed, it's the performance, it's the efficiency. Most of the time you think of sports boats and you think of petrol boats that guzzle the fuel. This is completely different. You are cruising at 40 knots, it will do in excess of 50 knots, and a cruising speed at 40 knots. She's got a range of 760 nautical miles, and you're looking at 9 litres per hour at cruising speed of 40 knots. Open her up, and still at the top end, she still doesn't guzzle the fuel. You'll be looking at 1.4 nautical miles per litre. So she is awesome performance, but great efficiency. Enough of me babbling. Let's go out and go and have a play. electric sea trial. The performance of this is phenomenal. You open it up, the turbo kicks in, and the boat flattens off, the bow comes down, typical of Goldfish, and it just likes to run flat like that. At speed, it feels really confident. You're not wrestling the wheel at all. It feels amazing. This is super yacht tender. This is super yacht quality. For this boat, the fuel efficiency, the engine, everything as you see here is a shade under £50,000. We've got it on brokerage. This is a special boat. You may have missed this because not everyone's aware of Goldfish. Check this out. This is not going to be available for long. We've got it for sale, just under £50,000. If you like the content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we've got some more videos coming your way as well. Thank you.